Mont Saint Michel. Mont Saint Michel is a small island located in the Normandy region of France, renowned for its stunning medieval abbey and picturesque village. The island, which is situated just a few hundred meters from the mainland, is surrounded by a large bay with some of the highest tidal ranges in the world, making for a unique and dramatic landscape. The abbey, which dates back to the 8th century, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts millions of visitors each year. Fjords. The fjords are narrow, deep inlets of water that are typically surrounded by steep cliffs or mountains, and are found in regions where glaciers have carved valleys into the landscape. They are most commonly associated with Norway, but can also be found in other parts of the world such as New Zealand, Chile, and Canada. The fjords are renowned for their dramatic scenery, with towering mountains, cascading waterfalls, and crystal-clear waters. Meteora. Meteora is a unique and breathtaking site located in central Greece, featuring a collection of stunning monasteries perched atop towering rock formations. The word Meteora means suspended in the air, which is an apt description of the monasteries that seem to defy gravity as they cling to the cliffs. The monasteries were built by monks starting in the 14th century, who sought to create a peaceful and isolated retreat in the rugged landscape.